Are you looking for that hotel mattress feel at home? We've got the mattress for you. The Chesterfield Plush is here at Live Well Mattress. So one of the most common questions we get is, do you have a mattress that feels like a hotel mattress? The Chesterfield Plush falls within that realm. It's got great support, the same support system that the Chesterfield Extra Firm has, the same spring system, but a luxurious plush support top that is great for your back, shoulders, and hips. Let's get into the construction of the Chesterfield, and then we're going to get into reviewing how it is for stomach sleeping, side sleeping, and back sleeping. So normally I start the construction review with top to bottom, but this one I'm going to start from bottom to top because I am so impressed by the spring system that they put in this mattress. This is the same spring system, edge-to-edge spring system, that they put on the Chesterfield Extra Firm, which is meant for lifetime support. On top of this support system, on top of the spring support system, they put 3 inches of high density foam. That's the support that you get, the stop that you get on this mattress that keeps you from falling into the mattress and keeps you straight. On top of the high density foam, they put 3/4 of an inch of memory foam and then another 3/4 of an inch of comfort foam. That is the plush part. That's the part where you're going into the bed and you're not feeling any pressure points at all. So now that we know about construction, let's move on and review how the white line test is for support. So this is back sleeping. I definitely can tell this is a very plush bed. I haven't seen this before, but I can feel like my hips are actually going into the bed. I would be cautious in selling this to someone who's a back sleeper and has lower back issues. I would not be cautious with somebody young that's feeling like, they've barely started life and they're not having any kind of aches and pains yet, because this is such a comfortable mattress for back sleeping. Almost 2 thumbs up for back sleeping, but I honestly do feel like anybody like me that's kind of weighted in the center is actually going to sink down a little too far, and if you have back issues, that might cause problems. So this one's kind of a 50-50, but I can tell you that there are 0 pressure points. It is super comfortable, and you can definitely feel the support. So this is side sleeping. I can tell you that normally I would say a plush bed is good for side sleeping, but I'm getting a strange, I feel like I'm getting some sway in my center half. My hips are up and my shoulders up. Normally what that means is I'm either on a bed with too much support for side sleeping with my size hips and my size shoulders. This might be way too plush. I don't know. I don't have a good feel for side sleeping on this. This is one of those beds that I would really have to fit you to. I know that a lot of body types will fit to it, but this isn't one that I would want to guess with somebody buying online. I would rather you come into the store so that way I could fit you to it. In fact, I'm not so sure just laying here that I would recommend it for myself, which is really rare for a plush bed. Let's just say this is one where you have to come to the store to get fit. So we were pretty concerned, my producer and I were talking about this, with the feel of, or the support of stomach sleeping on here, because it's different. I actually feel like it's allowing me to go into it enough that I'm straight. I can tell you that this arm over here, because sometimes when the bed is too firm, it pushes up my rotator cuff and hurts it. There's enough give in here that I'm very comfortable. So I'm going to say 2 thumbs up for stomach sleeping, which for a plush bed, that's really rare. Yeah, 2 thumbs up for stomach sleeping. So now you've seen the construction, you've seen the back, side, and stomach sleeping reviews. So what are my final thoughts on the Chesterfield Plush? Well, I can tell you that it is a different type of plush. There is a lot of support underneath this mattress. When I was side sleeping, you saw it push up my hips and shoulders. That's the support. It doesn't allow me to sink in far enough with my body type to sink in far enough to be a good side sleeping mattress. However, when you saw me with my stomach sleeping, there's that support keeping me flat and very acceptable, so that way I don't wake up with a lower lumbar pain or anything like that. So this is one of those rare ones where I would really need to see the body type and have you put on this mattress to make sure it's going to fit you correctly. That being said, support-wise, the spring system can't be beat. The way that they have put the foams together can't be beat. And the price can't be beat. The Chesterfield is one of my entry-level mattresses, not value mattress. I'll tell you, this is definitely not fall within the realm of a value mattress, but it is within the entry-level mattress of a budget-friendly mattress. I'm going to tell you that if you are a heavier sleeper, or if you are somebody that's hippie or very wide shoulders, before you make up your mind that this is the one for you, I'm going to need to see you on it. Anybody else, I'm going to say I feel pretty safe that this would be a good back or side sleeper for you. Stomach sleepers, as you saw, the support's there. I don't think there's any worries. This is a rare plush that a stomach sleeper could do great in. If this video has helped you, please like it, please share it. If anybody that you know is in the market for a new mattress, please tell them all about our Well Mattress and Furnishing Centres YouTube channel, because we make a lot of videos to help you be educated when you go mattress shopping. Until next time, have a great day. Bye.